She wasn't just a chef, she was a fireball in the kitchen, a TV star with wild hair and wild passion. Anne Burrell didn't just cook food, she cooked up a legacy. Anne Burrell was born on September 21st, 1969, in Cazenovia, New York. Growing up, she always had a love for food, but first she studied English and communications. Still, her true calling was in the kitchen. She trained at the Culinary Institute of America, then traveled to Italy to master rustic Italian cooking. That trip changed everything. Anne fell in love with simple, soulful food. Returning to the US, she worked in top New York restaurants before exploding onto TV screens through the Food Network. Her shows, Secrets of a Restaurant Chef and Worst Cooks in America, made her a household name. With her spiky blonde hair, bold voice, and no-nonsense style, Anne Burrell became the face of fierce, fearless cooking. She didn't just teach recipes, she inspired confidence. Her signature phrase, "Brown food tastes good," and it stuck with fans everywhere. But on June 17, 2025, tragedy struck. Anne Burrell was found unresponsive at her Brooklyn home. She passed away at just 55 years old. The cause of death is still under investigation, but her sudden loss shook the culinary world. Anne Burrell didn't just spice up our meals, she lit up our screens, our kitchens, and our hearts. She's gone, but her flavor, that will never fade.